Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Woelfel Garage. I'm here today. There's not much I can do today. I'm waiting on it part, but I figured while I wait, this thing's still full of carburetor cleaner. So I figured while I wait, I ordered, let me explain first of all where I'm coming from. Last time you saw me pull out this vacuum reservoir, trying to figure out why it wouldn't hold vacuum. Well, what I found shortly after turning my camera off and packing it up was, see, this is the mounting tab where it bolts onto the body. Right under here, hopefully you can see that, it's broken, giant hole in it. And of course it sucked up all the carb cleaner I was trying to find the vacuum leak with. So, just empty as much of that out as we can. And I'm going to try and slap some JB Weld on this bad boy. See if we can get her to hold vacuum. Now, like I said, I ordered a used one. Always good to have a backup though. Yeah, still some liquid in there. Not ideal. Oh, there we go. Just going to sit here and shake this for a few minutes. Alrighty, got me a little area to work in. Now I just need to blend up my JB Weld. Does anyone know what JB stands for? Original cold weld, 2-part epoxy. What is JB? Is that a man? I got this beautiful mixer right here. So, going 50-50. Mix it up. And let it cure for 15 hours. It's like about half and half to me. Oh, that stinks. Oops. I want to JB Weld my vacuum hole closed. That wouldn't be good. Well, I'm hopeful that that will hold. I won't know for about 15 hours. Gotta find a way to hold it in place now. Okay, I'll just use some wire to secure that, hold it down. Alright, on to my next project for the day. And that is to splice in this new connector. So, my old connector's all busted and broken, and I'm just gonna splice in this new one. Got my handy dandy wire strippers. Okay, got my slices a little bit longer. Now I gotta go to the car, cut off the old connector here. Got both sides spliced. Not spliced, but stripped. Now I just need to splice them together. I'm sorry, y'all. It's working on the wrong end. Alright, I just watched the video just to make sure I'm doing it right. I was. Got one on my red. Let's get a couple on the green. Y'all can see what I'm doing, right? Just stick your strip down in. Make sure all the strands go in. And you just line up the right size in your crimper. Squeeze her down. Little test pull. Alright, crimps are on. Let's go crimp on the other side. Alright, don't let it fall out this time. I think these should probably be heat shrinked. I don't have a heat gun, so I'm just gonna let them rock like that for now. And try and clean those contacts off if I can. I'm a great tool to get in there. Here's some emery cloth over here. A little emery cloth on the plier. Probably as clean as I'm gonna get it with the tools at hand. Alright, got my new plug in. Got a little bit of extra wire now, but not too worried about that. If I can get it to run right, that's all I'm really worried about for now. I got my vacuum mildly hooked back up. I don't know if it's done too well. I kind of teed this off, bypassing the vacuum reservoir. I'm trying to start it, see if it's gonna misfire or what. My terminal here is slightly too large on this Mopar battery, so I just took a little spare copper laying around. I'm just gonna shove this in the terminal to make it fit better. Ooh, that ain't good. Easy on the camera there, buddy. Alright, that's pretty secure. Let's see what it does. I'm nervous. I want it to be smooth. Please run smooth. Come on, baby. It's a little smoother. Sounds a lot smoother, actually. Let's go back and listen to the exhaust. Oh, buddy. That sounds pretty good. Maybe a little stumbly. Not too bad though. Let's take a little test drive, shall we? Just ran something over. It was just a cap, nothing to worry about. Alright, you gotta move in. A little shift action. And we'll go straight. Move, doggy. Take her down the road for y'all. Mainly for me. But, you know, why not for y'all? Why not for all of us? Sounds pretty good, baby. Pretty good. That lady did not look pleased with me. Probably because I got no hood, no bumper, but it's not a her concern, really, is it? Just get it. I launched my camera there. And let's get it. Alright. A little slappy. My flat tire is a little slappy. No worries though. It's running a lot better with that vacuum leak out of the equation. Y'all ever seen a manual sunroof? Oh yeah, some air in this bitch. What y'all know about manual sunroofs? Give it a rev into the tunnel, shall we? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She can get it. She can get it. You come out of my car? Uh-oh, folks. I lost my hood prop. All right, hood prop is back. Glad that fell out here and not down the road somewhere. That's pretty good. Let it run for a minute, let that turbo hopefully cool off. Well, that's not too shabby. I'm still not entirely certain if the misfire's gone. A little hard to tell. I'm not entirely sure how well my turbo's working either. Seems like, I don't know. I don't know. Not really much else I could do today, though. Alright, y'all. That's going to do it for me today. I did the two things I wanted to do, which was switch that plug out, and I JB welded my vacuum reservoir. My new one should be here tomorrow, so I'll probably just throw it in Monday or Tuesday. And yeah, other than that, I just got to get the front end fixed. Not much other than that. And then it'll be test and tune and make sure it's running good. That kind of shit. That'll come later.